Welcome to today's class. So you already know that we started the first lesson or first chapter in our English subject, that is healthy life. So in that 75% we completed this lesson. I think you people all know what I completed. So understood also. So now we'll move on to the next one. So let us recap what we completed. Many years ago, all the people on this earth were very happy, healthy, strength, because they were eating fruits, vegetables, and healthy food, and they were doing exercise, working hard, walking, all they were doing. So that's why, by seeing this, some witches were very angry. So witches were all gathered in forest, and they wanted to prepare some potion, so that is magical liquid, to destroy the happiness of people. So they've all gathered and they started chanting. Chanting is nothing but, no, saying mantras. During that chanting, one of the which chanted wrongly. Because of that one, all the forest destroyed and exploded. So because of that one, all the witches were changed into small creatures, isn't it? Like germs. So they were all collected in one small bottle. So after a few days, one of the boys saw that one, and he thought it was a very good drink. He drank that one. After that, he lost interested in life. He started hating fruits, vegetables, and all. And then he stopped going out for playing and all. So he wanted to eat pizza, burgers. So he ordered that one and waiting in the inside the house and watching always television. So by seeing this, witches were happy. They started working themselves, and they jumped from one person to another person. That is, they started spreading this type of disease. So this become the very big problem, and then this was the wasting of life. Now let us move on to the next fifth paragraph. It was a long while before, with the help of his microscope, Dr. Healthy discovered that little witches were causing these diseases. So someone has to discover, no? So how they have discovered? With the help of the microscope. What is that microscope? It is an instrument. It is an instrument. With the help of this instrument, you can see the very small creatures. So with the help of the microscope, many years ago, one of the person, his name was Dr. Fitton Healthy. What he invented, that the little witches are the reason for this type of diseases in people. So who discovered? Dr. Fitton Healthy. What he discovered? So what is the reason why the people are become lazy and they are all suffering from diseases? The reason is witches, isn't it? So how he discovered? With the help of what? With the help of microscope. What is microscope? Microscope is a small, you can see the what? Very small things. So causing this disease. There were no vaccine or cough mixture to get rid of them. So for this, now we are having injections, syrup, tablets, but in those days there were no vaccine, no injection, no medicine, no tablets, nothing to come out of this disease or problem. The doctor found out that the witches could not tolerate joy and good health. So this Dr. Fitton Healthy came to know that germs are not, that witches are not happy when the people are happy and healthy. Those who are healthy and happy, you cannot see the witches, you cannot see the germs. That who discovered? Fitton Healthy. Fitton Healthy, what he discovered? He discovered that witches could not tolerate the happiness and the healthy of a person. It turned out that the best cure was to make strong effort to live a healthy. So that is why what he told to all the people and all the patients, that you should be the best medicine, best cure. The best cure, the best medicine is that what you have to become very strong. How you have to effort, you have to try to make yourself healthy. You have to eat healthy food, and then joyful, enjoy, you have to enjoy your life and happy life. Then only you can get rid of this problem. So what is the meaning of get rid of? You are away from the diseases. How you have to be? You have to eat. Your lifestyle should be healthy. What is that lifestyle should be healthy? That you have to keep your surroundings clean. You have to keep yourself clean. Eat good food, vegetables, fruits. All you have to eat, and you have to do some exercises, yogas. Then you will become what? You will be healthy. Physically you are healthy. To mentally healthy, you will have to do yogas, and you have to be a clean lifestyle. Then you will become this. When a person became healthy, the witches had to leave that body. So when the person who is healthy, the witches cannot live inside that healthy person. These witches has to come out. How they'll come out of our body? As they could riding off on a sneeze. They'll come out with a sneeze. What is sneeze? This one. This is the sneeze. Okay. Have you all understood, children, this paragraph? Here in this next slide, here you have the glossary. That is meanings for those words you don't know. So you can see this one. This one here. What is there? Microscope. I told you this is an instrument. And then vaccine is there. Vaccine. That, and then what is that? Sneeze. Sneeze is already I told you. So picture is also given. What is the meaning of sneeze? So go through it, children. Don't waste this one. So meaning and even picture is given for your better understanding. Okay. Shall we move on to the next slide? That is next paragraph. From then on, so what Dr. Fitton Healthy told, so that when the person is healthy, is having healthy life or healthy, the witches has to come out of their body. How they'll come out of the body? When they sneeze. Through the sneezing, they'll come out of. So the best remedy. What is the best remedy means what? This one. What is that? Best thing to do was neither pills nor injections. The best way to control, best way, the medicine was neither pills. Pills means what? Tablets. Neither pills means tablets or injection, but just a little bit of effort to eat some fruits and vegetables. So you have neither means not even pills or injection. No need to take them. Best thing is what you have to do. You have to eat fruits, vegetables. So in this class I have seen so many girls, they are not eating fruits and vegetables. From their tiffin bags they are all removing vegetables. I don't like these vegetables, that vegetables. So this is not good. If you, maybe you are plumpy because of eating junk foods like chips and then something kurkure and all, but that is not healthy. You will be very soon you will get the health issues. So that's why it's better you read. That is the best remedy. The best way to control what? Diseases is you have to eat fruits and vegetables and do some exercise. So now you are not supposed to go out because of this corona, but inside the house only you can do yogas, or in your terrace you can do you can play badminton, skipping you can do, and keep your health fit and fine. Whoever came to see Dr. Fitton Healthy and took his advice. So whomever means the people who are coming to him to see him, Dr. Fitton gave his advice, ending up totally well, being cured of the wasting life diseases. So he said, He said, so you will be fine. How you will be fine? Dr. Fitton was giving the advice, is giving suggestion to the people that you have to eat lot of fruits, vegetables and keep your some exercise. You will be healthy. So no need to take tablets and all. Tablets, injections. So the best way is to cure this one. So this is the lesson. So you can know how to keep healthy. In the next slide is also, here you have the glossary is there. So that is glossary is pills. The picture is also given. Picture is also given. Cure is there. Disease meaning is there. Isn't it? So I'll revise once again what I did in 6th and 7th paragraph today. So one of the person, that is Dr. Fitton Healthy, discovered with the help of microscope these witches are the responsible for the spreading of diseases. Isn't it? So how to keep away this? Because in those days there was no vaccine. So how? So doctor came to know, that is who's the doctor? Dr. Fitton Healthy came to know that if the person is happy, is having good health, so the witches has to come out of their body. Who with the those who are healthy and fit and fine. So the who has to come out? Witches has to come out of their body. How they'll come? They come out of the body, witches, through the sneezing, through sneeze. And then so he gave the best remedy was no need to take pills, or that is tablets or injections. What you have to do, you have to eat vegetables and fruits and do some exercise. He was giving that advice to all those who will come near him for the treatment. So like this, Dr. Fitton told that, so keep yourself healthy, clean and do exercise, eat lot of fruits and vegetables and drink lot of water. In this corona, this one also we are saying about lot about drink hot water, keep yourself clean, and then eat lot of fruits and vegetables, not the junk foods. So after that, here is after completing this lesson, here some questions is given, 3 questions is given. So try to write. I'll only say who discovered the witches. Who discovered? You know, no? Dr. Fitton Healthy. So what did the patients do before they went to Dr. Fitton Healthy? So what before they went to do, they have to eat fruits, vegetables and do some exercise. What was advice? What was the advice of Dr. Fitton Healthy? That is the advice. No need to take pills or injection. What you have to do? You have to eat some fruits and vegetables and to do some exercise. Have you all understood, children? So here is one thing I have to say to you, this 7th standard boys and girls, you people are not watching the classes and not sending any assignment. So all the teachers are bit sad about this one. Please watch this and then do the work whatever is given. This already all the teachers have completed one lesson. So